Welcome! This video will explain what you need to do for the summer assignment for Algebra 2 Honors in the 2014-2015 school year. If you have found where the link is to this video, that means that you are on our website.
Good job!
Be sure to bookmark this website on your computer, smartphone, or other device, since this is where your homework calendar, videos, and materials will all be located.
Your summer assignment consists of 2 parts. First, you must practice a bunch of topics on Khan Academy. We feel that understanding of these topics is crucial to being a successful Algebra 2 Honors student. Here's how to use Khan Academy. Go to khanacademy.org and log in with your email. You're going to click Sign in with Google, and you're going to make sure that you use your school Gmail information. I here have the option of either my school or my personal. I'm going to click my school email. I can see that I'm now logged in because I can see my name in the top right-hand corner. If you don't remember your school login information, you can contact the library or the help desk. The first thing you want to make sure that you do is add me as a coach. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand column, the bottom option, you can add a coach. You're going to type my email address, imarc@framingham.k12.ma.us. Be sure you type carefully. You then should click Join Class. If you end up having Miss Adams as a teacher, you will eventually change your coach to be her. Let's take a moment and browse the site and see how it's set up. Let's say I'm interested in learning math. Here I can see the breakdown of all the different levels that they offer. So let's say I wanted to study some Algebra 1. On this page, I can see the breakdown of all the topics they offer. Let's say I was especially interested in linear equations. All the different strands are listed on the left. On the right are all the different items that they offer within linear equations. Anything with this symbol, looks like a triangle, is a video that you can click to help you learn the topic. Anything with this symbol, a star, represents a challenge or a group of exercises that will help you learn. We have put together a set of 10 challenges that you must complete over the summer. Let's take a look at what it would look like to do one of those challenges. Let's say I was interested in counting objects. You can see that once I search for it, the skill comes up right here, and I can click. It will bring me directly to a problem set. So I need to count the flowers. For this one, I have to enter in how many flowers there are. Yay! I got it right! Notice that after you click Check Answer, I have to then click the Correct Next Question button. Also, notice I got a check mark because I got that question right. My goal is to get 5 questions correct in a row. For each of the 10 topics you will do, you must eventually get 5 correct in the row. It doesn't have to be the first 5 that you do, but ultimately you need to get 5 correct in a row. So how do we count these mice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's this way. Yay! I'm going to go through and see if I can get 5 correct in a row. Awesome! I got 5 correct in a row. Let me see what happens when I click Awesome Show Points. It moved me up a level. I used to need practice in counting objects, and now I've achieved practiced. This is the level that you must achieve in the 10 topics we are asking you to complete for your summer assignment. Of course, if you keep going, and you can eventually achieve level 1, level 2, and ultimately mastered, if you would like. Practiced is the bare minimum level that you must achieve in all of the topics we're asking you to do.
Let's say that you wanted to access the topics that we were requiring for you through our website. You're going to go to our website, preferably via the bookmark that you've already created. Go into the Projects tab and click Summer Assignment 2014. As you can see there, the list of topics as well as the link to Khan Academy. So if you just click that little tree, it will bring you directly to the problem set that we are asking you to complete. Please make sure that if you take this route that you are signed in. Notice that Ms. Marcus is still signed in because she had previously been signed in. If your name does not appear in that upper right-hand corner, you're going to have to make sure you log in. If you do practice without being logged in, it will not track you and we will not be able to grade what you have completed.
Another way of accessing those topics is just by searching them. But then you'd have to go back and make sure that you're searching the correct exercise. So I recommend that you really just access it directly through the site. It is the easiest way. Keep in mind that the format of khanacademy.org may change over the summer. They do like to edit their website quite a bit, and it's usually edits for the better. These directions might change, the site might look different, the format might be a little bit different, but we're expecting that you're still able to navigate to the correct problem sets. If you're ever stuck on a topic, you can watch a video about it. There is a link to the video that relates to the problem you're being asked to do on that same page.
Most of the topics that are covered at Algebra 2 also have practice through Khan Academy. It's really important that you understand how this website works and how to navigate through the website, because if you're ever struggling in our class and you want more practice than the problem sets that we create for you, you can go to this website and do problem sets to help you study for tests and to help you master the material. So it's really important that you understand how this website works and how to use it to your advantage.
So let's say you finished all 10 of those problem sets. You've achieved practice status in all of them. You're not quite finished. There's a part 2 to the summer assignment. And that's where you're going to familiarize yourself with the topics that we will be covering on day 1 of Algebra 2 Honors. These 3 topics are function notation, interval and set notation, and domain and range. So on our project summer assignment webpage, you're going to scroll down to where it says part 2, and you're going to watch these 3 videos.
In order to access these videos, all you have to do is click the YouTube icon. Once you click that, it will take you directly to YouTube and the video will start. Please make sure that you're paying close attention to the video and that you are taking notes. I actually have students who watch the video more than once to make sure that they completely understand what's going on. Remember that you can pause, rewind, and rewatch the videos as many times as you need to make sure that you are understanding the material. You want to bring your notes, any questions or comments that you have, to the first day of school to make sure that you can get your questions answered. Notice that next to the video column there is a practice column. We are going to require you to complete this problem set. If you click the PDF, you can then download it and print it out. We would expect that this be completed and you bring this to class on the first day of school. We will be going over this problem set and answering any questions that you might have as a class. If you also notice on the website, next to practice, there is the answer key. That is there for you to check your work and to make sure that you are understanding the answers to the questions. You have to get used to the fact that answer keys are always going to be on the website throughout the school year, and it is important that you use them to your benefit, because if you just end up copying all of the answers from the answer key, you are not going to be learning in the way we would like you to. Notice in the last column, we have Khan Academy optional practice. If you want to be a really fabulous student, you might want to click on some of these links and practice some of the things that we are trying to teach you while you're working over the summer.
Ms. Adams, it sounds like students should be putting a lot of work into their math knowledge over the summer. Do you think there might be a quiz or test on this stuff?
Yes.
Yes? Yes! So good luck on your summer assignment.
And don't forget to email either one of us if you have questions.